is finasteride limiting the benefits of taking additional testosterone therapy? So a lot of our patients are taking both finasteride for the premature hair loss, and they are also taking additional supplementation with testosterone therapy for the benefits of biohacking, such as increased muscle bulk, feeling less tired, increased sexual performance, increased well-being. And the main concern is, are they going to hinder one whilst taking the other? In a nutshell, this study, which was done in 2012 by Basin, and it was published in JAMA, they looked at two groups of patients that were randomly allocated to one of two groups. They were all given testosterone therapy from 50 up to 600 milligrams, and this was increased over every single week gradually. One group got a placebo, and the other group were given adequate levels of Dutasteride. And what they were looking for was there any difference in the groups in terms of every androgen-related benefit? And the short answer is there was no difference between both groups. Really, we need to think about what the medication is doing. It's not actually reducing the level of DHT in itself. It's working on the enzyme which converts testosterone to DHT. And by inhibiting the enzyme, there's going to be less opportunity for the testosterone to convert to DHT. And it does this really, really well. So that's the good news. If you are taking additional supplementation with testosterone and you are on a DHT blocker because you're concerned about baldness, you've had hair transplant and you want to preserve your native grafts for the best density, the answer is a DHT blocker is going to have your back in terms of the underlying condition.